From the company iSky Drawer is a 200 watt, 2600 lumens, 8 foldable light arms with a light in the center. With the E26 socket, please remember to remove the plastic off. It's an LED light to light up in the garage. We have the light showing at nighttime to show you how bright it lights up an area as an emergency with a power station in case you need to do work outdoors. It is an indoor light that needs to be hung up in the E26 socket, and we're going to do that right now. Hanging up is easy as opening up all the arms first, locating the socket, and screwing into the light bulb socket. Putting the light on and adjusting the angles you desire to light up the area. 6500 Kelvin light off and on, as the camera does not show any flickering. This is a anti-flicker for the camera. Does a nice job for your garage, work areas, warehouses that illuminates a nice, large, and wide throw over 120 degrees. You'll decide if this light may be right for you. For further detail, check online for how many models you are after, 1, 2, or more. This is a light for LED lighting needs. Enjoy your product if it's right for you.